Alright, new project in the house. This thing is large. Can't fit everything in the screen. But it's an old Curtis Made's cassette player. Right now, it's actually working as far as reverse, forward, and play. All the buttons work. Everything works. The only issue is somehow when you power it on, the meters, or put it this way, the voltage coming out of the speakers, okay? So basically, your output here has a lot of voltage going out of it. So something's wrong. I think it's maybe the bias. So I'm gonna open this up and take a look and see if I see anything out of whack. But it ought to be a fun project. I just finished fixing a Pioneer, which is close enough to exactly this, but a little newer, still in the 70s. But this one here, very rare, come across. Love this unit. Has a lot of potential. Gotta get it working. Let's do this. Alright, just took off the cover. Man, this thing is a time capsule and a half. Yeah, I see some bias pods in here. Could be those. Let me grab a pointer here, a stick here. Here we go. So I'm thinking it's going to be the pods. Usually it's those. Now I'm speaking usually means in car audio. Usually it's the pods. So I want to see why not one of these home components is also, the pods. So I have to figure it out. I might have to plug it in and then mess with the voltage on these pods and see if the dials go to 0. Because right now they're just like tap, 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 tap. They're just tapping. They're hitting at max. It's crazy. If you plug in the speaker, I already blew one. I threw it away. I blew it. It was loud. Very loud. It's actually dangerous. You can actually go deaf from that. Alright, I just gotta make a plan here. I gotta adjust the sliding. Okay, that's kind of alright, huh? Alright, here we go. Get that out of here. Alright, so I guess the first thing I'm going to do is just scan through everything and see if I see anything that jumps out at me. Let me check these belts. It's a little loose, that one, but it does work. Oh man, yeah, it's sloppy. Since I'm in here, I'm going to change these belts out. That way, everything's nicey nice. Wow, it's crazy. It's so loud. Okay, it might actually be this board here as well. I wonder if there's a pod going to it. Yeah, okay, so these right here. There's two here. It might be this. Of course, I don't have this. Oh. Like I was about to say, of course, I don't have a schematic for this. And to get one, very rare. You're not going to find one for this. So, it is what it is. It's an interesting little device right here. This cable. I gotta be careful. I haven't discharged anything. One wrong slip, I'm gonna get voltage going up my finger. Yeah, I want to say it's these two. I'm gonna mess with these two. And there's the other. Okay, so it's actually it's a MPX filter, and this one is a filter. So it might not even be those. Oh, here we go. Oh, here it is. It's these two. I'm gonna mess with all this here. Get that working. Okay, first things first, I think I'm gonna, before I even get to that, I think I'm just gonna change the belts. I don't know. Do that now, or do that second? Yeah, we'll take care of this problem first, and then the belt. Okay. Alright. I gotta plug her in. And I gotta mess around with the pods. Alright, I think I found the issue. I think it's these pods here. These are different from these other ones here. I'm gonna mess with this one. This one's been touched, I think. Let me just see if I can twist it a little bit here. Seems like it's seized up. I got the power on too. There we go. I'm gonna try that right there. Let me try. That actually seems nice. I don't know. That might have been the trick. Let me look at the meter. Oh yeah. Wait, no. What's going on here? No, it's still doing it. It's still doing it. Let me press play. It's only on 1 meter now. I fixed one. I don't know how. I'm just messing with these other pods. And it kind of fixed itself out. This should be the one that's clicking. Yeah, I think it's a component that's shot. Ooh, gotta be careful. Live voltage over here, guys. I'm not hearing it. It's still going. I mean, thought I just saw somebody walking to the door. Alright, I don't know. It's not looking good. Yeah. Who knows? Yeah, these two are shot. This one, and to find a replacement for that, forget about that. I'm gonna have to unsolder these two, take it all apart, and clean the contacts. Alright, here what I'm doing is I'm trying to match the output here and the output here. Okay, I'm trying to get it to line up. How I'm doing that? With a little screwdriver with some insulation. It's powered on. Kids, don't try this at home. Very dangerous. You can actually die. Touch the wrong capacitor, you will get shocked to death. I'm going inside here, this motor, right in there. There's a little hole. And I'm twisting this and trying to figure out the speed of which the output is so I can match that YouTube video. So let's take a listen. Now we're gonna listen to this one. Very close, huh? I think I'm there. So I'm just going to mess around with that a little more, and then we're going to take a look at it momentarily with everything back on it. Power it on. Let me grab a tape. Play.
Money. I encourage you to meet each other and form a little group. Meet with 2 people. Meet with 3 people. Just so put only 5% in gold. I encourage you to meet each other and 10 or 15 stock records in the industrial. How much am I? what is this? Everybody thinks negatively? Now, to
put another tape in. Put another one in. Pause. Now I noticed some tapes, this one, I think this is a defective tape, and I have 3 others. It's a little stiff. I don't know if it's messed up. So it's could be the tape. Because I just played all 3 and it was working. High output, huh? Let's go back to one of these random ones. Actually, that one is talking about money. This one, yeah. Barry Manilow. Let's see the rewind on that. That's it. Everything's working. Right?